Um, what is it? Is it another nightmare?
Yes, my husband. But this felt so real.
What did you see this time?
I was lonely in the forest, seated all by myself. Suddenly I felt the presence of a little child standing behind me. He touched me. But before I could turn to see who the person was, he vanished.
And what do you think that means?
I don't know, but I feel this is the period I'll take in.
Olama.
My husband.
How long are we married?
6 market weeks.
Not even up to 10. And you are this bothered. Olama, see, I know every newly married woman is under obligation to give birth immediately. But you have to slow down. You have to take it easy. Okay?
I'm sorry, my husband.
Lie down. Just sleep. Lie down.
Mama, are you done? Let's go. Okay. I'll go. Greetings, Adobe.
Adobe, stop. Come on, Biko. Stop running. Bia. Come to me. Come. Bia, Biko. Eh? See me. Oh? See me as your mother. Why are you running? I am not like other women in this village. You are not God that gives child.
I'm sorry, I did not run. I just recalled that I left my food on the fire.
Adobe, the barren woman. Is that not what you think I am going to call you? Adobe, the woman that is married for 3 years without a child. Adobe, the cost. Have I ever mentioned that to you?
No.
Has my daughter ever treated you like one of the maidens in this land?
No.
Then why do you always run away whenever you see me? Where do you think you are running to? It's almost late. I know you did not come to this stream early enough because you don't want our women to insult you. Now you are here. You are still running away. When do you want to come and fetch your own water? Is it when the spirit must have taken over the river? Then you know you are fetching Ochimiri down to your home. You are inviting the spirits down to your home. It's okay, my daughter. Stop crying. Go and fetch your water. Feel free, okay? Anytime you see me, stop honey. Okay?
I'm sorry.
Go and fetch your water. Let's go home.
Okay, Mama.
So, you mean your wife prepared this food for you to bring to me?
Yes.
Oh.
I told her yesterday that I was coming to meet you. So she woke up very early to make this for you.
Oh, wonderful.
She said we should enjoy it together.
Really?
Yes.
That's very thoughtful of her.
So, Maduka, tell me, does your wife's food taste as good as my wife's?
No. We have both agreed not to compare. No, don't start this. Don't start this.
What is it? What is it, Maduka? Maduka, what happened to you? Why have you suddenly become so uptight? You used to be a very happy and funny man. What happened to you? Why are you now suddenly becoming so aggressive and angry? What is it?
Obiora, can you imagine, Obiora, that a man as my status be regarded as a retard?
I don't
imagine.
A retard? Who called you a retard, Maduka? Who in this community referred to you as a retard? Let me use my arrow and kill him. Cut off his head and present his skull to his relatives, just to scare them. Tell me.
Obiora, it's me. It's me, Obiora. I'm the one sitting in front of you.
I don't understand.
I'm the one you're supposed to cut off my head and send to my relative.
In other words, you are the one who called yourself a retard.
Yes. Oh, my dear.
Adobe.
There.
Eh?
There, Obiora. There.
You are welcome, eh?
Thank you, my husband.
Obiora, okay.
Yes, sir.
Your voice is okay.
Adobe, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Hope I'm not interrupting you.
No.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
My love, you're eating.
Hey, Obiora's wife cooked and told Obiora to bring it to me.
Yes.
Oh.
She made it for both of us.
Please send my greetings to her.
So, Obiora, you can start going. I'll be helping my wife.
Bia. We are in the middle of a very important discussion.
Yes, so go. I'll be coming home.
You come to my hut.
I'll come to your hut.
Okay, you have to come tomorrow by sundown.
That's when I'm done helping my wife in cooking. I'll come after.
I don't understand. You will still help her in the morning before you come?
Yes.
Yes.
So when I'm coming, I'll bring
Please get my things when you come.
I'll bring it. Bye-bye, oh.
Darling.
Hey. Bye. Okay. Obin, why did you chase me away now?
What have I done? I asked him to go so that I can help you in cooking.
But why? You succeeded in chasing your family members away, and now you want to do that with your best friend. God forbid that I watch you destroy a relationship that the whole village is so envious of.
You don't want me to help you again?
That's not true. I know you like the back of my palm. This is not nice.
He was already on his way going.
Stop lying to me. I know you like the back of my palm. Eh? You chased him away because because of me. Eh? This is not nice. You told him that you're going to see him tomorrow. I know you're not going to see him. I will make sure that you see him tomorrow. It's a promise. And make sure you finish this food, though. Don't waste it.
I've lost my appetite.
When you're done eating, you come and eat my own food.
I cannot eat it. I've lost my appetite. I don't be. Adobe, come and take this food out. I can't eat this food. I've lost my appetite. Oh, Adobe. Adobe. Oh, I'm checking my weight. I don't like this. Adobe, come and take this food out. I'm not eating this food. Nothing will confuse me.
Who is there? Obim. Obim, is that you? Whomever you are, just know that my husband is the best archer in the whole of the 7 communities. He will get you faster than the gods if you don't stay clear his property. You're the one that wants to take my soul out of my body.
See, let me tell you, see these little hands of yours, they are so painful.
I don't like this thing you just did. I don't like it.
What is it?
Besides, I thought you woke up very early this morning to go check on your traps before the white animal gets to eat first.
Yes, and I decided that startling you is better than any catch whatsoever.
And you enjoyed me whimpering like a coward.
Very well. Very, very well. Especially the part you were praising me. The part you were warning the person that he or she should know that your husband is the greatest archer in the whole community, 7 communities and even beyond. Now let me tell you, that is a good woman, a very brave woman talking. A woman who recognizes power and stands by it.
Anyways, I need to go get some firewood.
Yeah, we'll go together then. We'll go together.
We'll go together. I pray that the meat you caught runs away for trying to play a fast one on me.
You are the biggest meat. Let it run.
Obim. 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 Obim, you need to stop holding my waist.
I paid for this waist. I paid for this.
Obiora.
Beautiful maiden, how are you?
I'm fine. Greetings, Olama.
Greetings to you too, Adonaya. Morning blessings to you, Akwibe.
How are you?
I'm very well.
Olama, you are very happy this morning.
Yes, I am. The warm hands of the gods are upon me.
You're welcome, my daughter. Adonai,
Mama.
please go ahead of me. I will see you later.
Go.
Not so fast. Obiora, please, can I speak with your beautiful wife, if you will permit me?
Okay.
love, why are you tearing up? What is happening? What is wrong? Are you okay?
I know you're in this mood because of me. You're sad because of me, my love. I know you are in pain because of me. I could feel it.
What are you talking about?
I just came out. I wanted to go prepare food for us. I wanted to meet you here. I know you're not happy. I know. And that's because of me.
Oh, please, what is it? Talk to me. I don't want you to cry.
3 years ago, my mother and I went to see Ezenwayi. And he said we're not compatible. But we're not soulmates.
Eh? Is that all he said?
Yes. And he also said maybe that's why I've not been able to have a child for you. I'm sorry I didn't tell you. Let me go in and pack my bag.
Hey, come here. My love.
Yes.
Adobe.
Yes, my love.
You know in your heart, I would rather die than not to be in your life. I love you. And I don't want to lose you. When you saw me standing here, it wasn't about you at all. It wasn't.
Are you sure?
Yes. You know there's this festival coming up. Yes, I'll be performing, I'll be participating. So I was just thinking of how I will, dominate my opponent. That's all. It's not about you at all. And about the chief priest. Come on. Are we the only human that have wronged and interrupted the messages of the gods? Come on, forget about him. He's one of those. Don't allow nothing to come between us. And don't allow nothing to worry you. Okay?
Okay.
Please. Hey. It's okay. I love you.
I love you too.
Please don't cry.
Don't worry, I'll give you a chance. Okay?
It's okay. I'm not worried. I'm not bothered. Alright? It's okay. Calm down.
Olamma, why have you not visited me in my home?
Visit you. Akwibe, that is because I don't have any reason to visit you. Look, the fact that my mother visits you during her time doesn't mean I will do the same. I mustn't follow her path. Besides, I am my own woman. I do not need the divination of a god or goddess. As you can see, me and my husband, we are very happy.
And why have you not touched your son in all of your dreams?
Achalugum, hope there's no problem.
No, my husband, there is no problem. I will join you shortly.
One.
Akwibe or priestess or whatever thing you call yourself, never you stop me again. If I need help, I know where to get one.
You will look for me soon.
My husband.
What do that witch want?
I don't know. Nothing. You know this priestess, how they behave. Probably she's looking for somebody that she can easily brainwash and nothing.
I do not want to see you and her anywhere again.
Me? Obim, there's no way you will see me with her. What are you seeing me with her for? It is not possible. Let's go to the farm. People are already coming back from the farm.
That is better, so we can have a private and quiet time. And cool go on honey more here.
Eziokwu, you can know kwa. You can know okwa you can know. People coming back from the farm and they are watching us. Let's go home.
Let's go.
Hey. Dear Maduka. I greet you.
Oh, Okay. Our wife. Hope everything is fine.
Hey, everything is fine. You came to our house.
Yes.
No.
Everything is fine. Oh. So I came to see you.
To visit me? Yes. How? When people are returning from their farms.
What do you mean by
This is no time for visit. You should be in your house by now.
Obiora? What do you mean by I have to be in my house? Have you forgotten we have to meet today?
Oh,
Oh, must I have time to visit my own brother?
it's true.
Brother from another mother.
It is true. It is true. No,
Okay.
Banye, oh,
Dear Maduka, no.
Oh, no problem, my dear. No, it's not for you. It's not for you.
No, let me.
It's a gift. No, give it to me. Oh, give it to
That
me.
is roasted meat.
No. It's something special for somebody special. Yes. Call me your wife. Call me your wife.
You said somebody special. Gift.
Call me your wife.
So you started gifting my wife. No. Hola, ma. Hola. Bia, oh, my ma.
Oh, na mama, bia.
Hey. Olam.
The Maduka wants to speak with you.
So why did you
My dear, how are you?
I'm very well.
I brought you something special.
Is it okay?
Yes.
Ewo.
So open it.
Hey, Kim, these beads are beautiful. Hey, they Maduka so thank you so much. This is very beautiful. My husband, look at it. Hey,
They are fine.
oh my God, oh,
It's okay.
hey.
I know your husband's heart has skipped. It's woman to woman. My wife gave it to her.
Ew.
You know, the last time your husband came to my place, he brought food. I love the food. I know you prepared it. So I told my wife about it. Well, it was in a such short notice. So
Ew.
she gave me this to give to you.
Chai. The Maduka, I'm so grateful. Hey, this is so thoughtful of you and your wife. It is very beautiful. I love it. You know, I haven't seen her since I got married to my husband.
Oh, really?
But one of these days, I will just stop by. Anyway.
You're very caring, no?
Hey, no, this is so beautiful. Thank you.
Is okay.
My wife will love your company.
There's no problem.
I will tell her.
I'll be inside in case you need anything.
No problem.
Hey, there, Maduka, oh my God.
My wife and gift. My wife. Small gift like this, she will melt her heart. Just give her one plantain. Just one single plantain. Her mind, her heart will melt.
Women and gifts.
So what is the main reason you came to my house? You know, they said if a toad is running in the daylight, it's either it's after something is after it. So what is after you? Or what are you after?
Obiora, when a child pretends to be dead, we pretend to bury it. I can't pretend no more. I can't pretend again.
What is that bothers you?
Obiora.
Wait, come. You know the ones that yes. Come with me.
Adania. Come. Come close. Bian, wear this thing on your waist.
Mama, what's this bead for?
I want you to use this to attract the right husband to yourself.
Maduka, Choromia.
What do you mean by that? See, let me tell you, many maidens come here to ask for this with a lot of money. I reject it. Here you are, I am giving you for free and you are refusing it.
Ne, I am not many maidens. My name is Adanaya. I don't want this. Yes, I am a daughter of a diviner, but I am not ready to be involved in all of this.
Will you shut up your mouth? I am your mother and you have to listen to me. Until a man pays your bride price, even then, you will still listen to me. Take this and put it on.
Mama, I already told you. I don't want this. I don't want to be involved in all of your spiritual escapades. If I want a man, I will get him. Achoromia, Biko, happen.
Adania.
Mama, Achorom.
Adania. Advice is a stranger. When you welcome it, it stays the night. If not, he begs to take its leave. Adania. Adania.
Are you sure this will work?
I want you to believe it will work. At least this will melt her heart. It will give her some peace until we are able to come up with a permanent solution.
Yes, okay. That's all right. Thank you.
Just that I wished you came up with this sooner.
Obiora, I wish I had told you earlier, but a man's problem is his own. Which is why I couldn't tell you all this. What?
Not when it comes to us. We have always been sharing our problems. So we can't just come now and change it.
Thank you so much, okay? Thank you so much, my brother.
You are welcome. You have to head home now. You have to head home. You meet me in 3 days. When I must have been ready with the arrangement.
Okay. And I'll have my way now. And I will send my regards to
her, yes. You want to go through the back?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
Obi, has your friend gone?
Yes.
Eh. He followed through the back.
Yes, he said he should just follow through the back.
Eh, Mama Folea. My husband. What brought him? What does he want? I mean, what brought him?
Well, it's nothing of importance.
Obi, nothing of importance. Yet he looked so serious when he came here. And you're telling me nothing of importance.
And he looked so serious while giving you the gift. Was he crying while he gave the gift to you? Were you not smiling with him? You could go and get me my ass. Let me break the firewood I came back with.
Obi, you're not telling me the truth.
Go and give me the ass.
So you can't tell me why your friend came.
Shut up, go and give me the
Go
ass.
and get the ass.
See, I'm even trying to answer you calmly.
The food is almost ready. Please just hold on a little longer. I'll serve your food.
I would have loved to, but I don't want Maduka, my friend, to feel like I don't want to meet up with him.
Child, my husband, it is this stupid wet firewood that caused it. You have to go out on empty stomach. It's not fair. I'm sorry.
Don't worry. Just keep the food, keep my portion. Once I return, I eat. Oh?
Okay, there's no problem. Please just send me well to Dame Maduka's wife.
I'm going to call you.
All right, my husband.
Yeah.
Hey, Ijoma. Should I have told him about my dream? No. I can't tell him. If I tell him, my husband will think I do not want to adhere to his plea.
Do you know I've been waiting for you under the sun for the longest of time?
I don't understand. You standing under the sun for the longest of time. I don't understand it. What is this? Is this not a tree? Is this not shade? If you decide to go under the sun and burn yourself, how is that my business? Maybe you lack melanin and you want the sun to replace it. What is that?
Do you still want our agreement to work today?
Mbano. Why do you say that?
Why do I say that? Don't you see how your friend is talking to me in a disrespectful manner?
Please, forgive him. Probably he thinks he has paid you in full. And the way you are talking as if you have drunk a palm wine, you are talking too much. If you like, you just stop complaining and focus on the work, he will be okay. It's not like you have taken palm wine. I'm just misbehaving like a palm wine tapa.
You said I am complaining.
No, it's not like you are.
You are even worse than your friend.
Come. Are you not the one that told me that you have paid him in full?
Completely. I paid him completely.
Paid who? See, he did not pay me. He said he will complete my payment when I'm done with the service.
It still doesn't give you the audacity to be talking to us like that. We are not babies. We are men. See, men, wealthy men.
I want to ask you something. Tolu, wait, I want to ask you something. Tell 24 tubers of yam. 25 calories. 2 goats, 2. 2. Chicken, everything. I've given you half of this. And you think I've not done anything. I've not given you part of...
Wait, Chere, wait. Has he given you 2 goats? Wait, how many did you say?
Ask him. Let him talk.
Did you collect 2 goats?
Are you doing or you're not doing? Are you doing or you're not doing?
Okay. Are you sure this thing will work?
I told you I've taken care of him already. Come. Soludo will be there waiting for us now. Yeah?
My love, come out.
Is that you, my love? Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, my love. Hey, I'm fine. Let me get you water.
Wait. Before you go, my friend Obiora here has something to tell you. Yeah.
So, hope all is well.
All is about to be well. I want to tell you something.
Okay.
You know, Maduka, my friend here, and I, we've been friends for ages.
Yes.
We are not just friends, we are brothers. And vice versa. There is this thing he told me. Yes. He said that a dibia from your maternal home told you and your mother that both of you are not soulmates. That is why I am here.
Okay.
Ịma na dibịa gwọrọ ọzọ mana ọzọ gburu dibịa. Ịma nke a, ịma nke ọzọ. There is a greater dibịa. This here is the man my father has been using when he was alive.
Okay.
I want to bring him here. I want to bring him so that he will come and I believe his divination. Let me bring him. Let him say his own. Because you cannot hear from just one mouth. You hear from here, you hear from here before you can conclude. You know?
Okay, if my husband is okay with it, I think I'm fine.
He's okay with it.
Okay, my husband.
The thing is that he is even here. We came with him already. We just said we should confirm from you before.
So fast.
Yes. Ugumma Soludo! Ugumma Soludo!
Ekukumeku! Mụ na-apụ apụ! Oge ya ma ọfọ n'aka! Ịba agwọ tụrụ mbe tụgbuo ya! Nnukwu mmụọ! Ị na-apụ apụ! Ị na-apụ apụ! Gwa m eziokwu! N'oge ahụ elugo! I hear direct from the gods because they gave me the staff of authority. Woman!
Yes, Ezenwayi.
Do you know me?
No.
Have we met before?
No, I've never seen you in this village.
In that case, whatever I'm about to tell you is nothing but the truth. Are you ready to listen to the words of the gods?
Yes, Ezenwayi, if my husband permits me to.
I permit.
Mwa! Bamaku! Norugo! Oh, yeah. Oh, young one. The God said I should tell you that Maduka here is your soulmate.
Okay, you need to hear from here and hear from the other side.
What? Are you sure, Ezenwayi?
Shut up, woman!
Sorry.
Do you doubt the words of the gods?
No, Ezenwayi. Okay, Ezenwayi, can I ask a question?
Yes, go on.
If Maduka, my love, is my soulmate, why haven't I been able to give him a child? Why?
Woman! Don't question the gods!
Never.
Sorry.
Go and rejoice. The God said that you are married to the right man.
Thank you.
I will see him off now. You don't be asking too much questions.
I'm sorry,
Ugumma Soludo. Now, let's go. Soludo. You can find your way home from here.
Where is my payment?
Payment for what? No, payment for what? What did you do there that I will pay you? What? What did you do there? You're even lucky I'm considering giving you what we bargained for. If not, what did you do there? See the way you got there and you opened your mouth, wow, like cops. Like cops when she asked you about her inability to give birth. What were you not supposed to say something?
What was I supposed to say? I was caught off guard.
You were caught off guard. Have you ever been on guard?
And you only told me to tell her that they are soulmates.
And after that, if anything comes up, you don't know what to say. You just crammed it and collected all these items just for cramming nonsense. That is why your community refused to accept you as the Ezenwayi. Even when your father gave you the offer, your late father gave your fault to you before he died, but your family your community rejected you because you lack the ability of thinking. You can't think. Please, once you get to my farm, the mango tree beside my farm there, check. I use calabash to cover your remaining items.
You speak to me in this manner. Okay. Mara no rira amu ebe. Jibi ugwo.
That is okwu ndị ibiri. Tell it to nwoke ibi, tell it to onye ibi. Can you imagine? You will see a full ebule instead of you to eat the leg, hand. Were isi ya mee agwara gị gawa n'amụ ya. Gawa n'amụ ya. Onye ara ibi ahụ dakwa gị da nna gị. Oke, onye takwa n'isi ebule. What about onye tara ngasị ebule? Ngasị ya, onye tara ọkpụ ụkwụ ya ka onye o ji ụgwọ. Anụ ọhịa.
I have never seen this Dibia before. Is it from this village?
Dobim.
Yes, my love.
Dibia is the most resourceful man I've ever known. Well, you have not met any chief priest in your life, so how would you know?
You're right, my love. I have never seen a chief priest before, but how come I don't have a child? Why am I still barren?
Adobe,
Yes, my love.
are you still going to put this burden on you? I've told you countless times that I don't need children. We are meant together. Don't worry yourself.
If we're really soulmates, if we're really compatible, I should be able to give you a child by now. Yes.
What do you mean by that? Didn't you hear a renowned chief priest say that we are meant together? Didn't you hear? But you were not listening.
I should be able to give my husband a child. I don't want to end your father's lineage.
Adobe.
Yes, my love.
I don't care. All I know is we are meant together. You mean a lot to me.
I care, my love. You are your father's only child. God forbid that I end your father's lineage without a child.
Please, do not utter such cursing words from your lips, please.
I am tired. I am tired of the maidens calling me a barren woman. And I will still allow you to get another wife. You should think of getting a wife,
Stop
my love.
Enough of this. I am not allowing any woman in this compound. May the gods forbid.
The gods will not forbid anything, my love. I am going to my mother's house. When I return, I want you to get a wife. If you're not going to get a wife, I will not return to this house. And that's the fact.
Adobe, come back here. Adobe. It's over with me, Obiora. It's over for me. It's over.
It is not.
Everything I've built, everything, I can't.
Maduka, listen to me. I want to tell you something. I want to tell you that something might happen now and the gods will hear your cry. Your cry and your supplications. So it is not over.
Obiora. Maybe I've not mentioned this to you for a long time. There is something I've been hiding all this while. The problem is not only here. I'm impotent. Please don't calm down. Don't shout. You know, I was born this way. I was born to end the lineage of my fathers. Yes.
Maduka, no. I say no to that. Life is not the way you think about it. Nobody can tell us if our destinies are written or not. We take charge of ourselves. There is no way you will tell me that you were born to end your father's lineage, that your manhood is not working. No, it is not possible.
Sometimes you act like a child. You act like a child. You know better than I know. You know about destiny and fate. Destiny and fate are real, Obiora. You are aware. Look at you. Now look at you. One of the most decorated arrow shooter in our community. A person that you were able to earn a king's wifery. And you and I know that you are not a good archer. The gods guided you. After all, I was born with it, It's something that I have to complete.
I still will not accept that. So what do you do? Do you want to confess to your wife?
No, I can't do that. I can't do that. I'll be embarrassed. I will be disgraced. I can't tell my wife that this my manhood is only for pleasure. Then I can't father a child. How? I can't go and tell my wife that. All this while I've been the one accusing her that she can't get pregnant. And you want me to do that? I love her so much. And all this while I've been the one making her believe she's not able to get pregnant. I love her. I can't lose her. I love that woman.
And I brought the fake native doctor thinking that he will solve everything. Now, I can see that I even got us into more problem.
No, please don't blame yourself. I was already having that problem in my heart, and I came to your heart to complain to you. So please don't blame yourself, okay? I will know how I will go about it. For now, I'm just so confused. Like I can't lose her. She's my everything. I'll be going, okay?
Are you sure you'll be fine? Are you fine?
I'll be going, Obiora, okay?
Oh, you are okay?
I'll be fine.
Okay.
I'll be fine.
Take care of yourself.
Or should we go directly to a water goddess to ask for a child? No. They always have time frame for how long their children may live amongst mankind. Maduka will not be able to bear such pain.
So how do I help this marriage?
Help with marriage, Obin.
Hey, Nne, you are awake so early.
So early. My husband, the sun is out. I overslept and you did not bother to wake me to prepare your morning food.
And my wife, you need to go inside and rest. There will be no need for all this. I want to go to Maduka, my friend's place. Once I'm back, I eat.
Obim, you will leave this house without eating.
Don't worry. Once I return, I'll eat.
Obim, if there's anything that is bothering you, you can talk to me.
Like I said, I am okay. Let me see my friend. I'll be back shortly.
You're going to Maduka's place with the cutlass?
Where's my mind? Please, hold it. I thought I was going to the farm. I was thinking I was heading to the farm. Sorry. It's there. Oh, I'm coming.
Oh. I just hope I'm not losing my husband.
Maduka. Maduka.
Hey.
Adobe.
Hmm?
Thank you.
I'm fine.
Where is your husband? Where is Maduka?
He's not around.
Eh? He has not returned from the farm.
He hasn't. He spends more time in the farm rather than stay at home with me.
No, you can't say that. You cannot say that. Maduka, you know Maduka adores you so much.
I think he adores you more than me giving him a child. And that scares me.
Adobe, what do you mean by that?
Day. Maduka promised me never to visit the shrine. But yesterday, he walked in with one, and you accompanied him. I am sure you initiated it.
See, Adobe, whatever I did for my friend.
Okay. Whatever the chief priest said, you think he's going to change anything? I am still barren, am I not? By the next Eke market day, I'll be gone. Gone from here.
Listen, Adobe, you will not do that. You see what you just said now, you will not try it. Because you and I know that Maduka cannot survive it if you try it. So please, do not attempt it.
I'm only trying to do what a real woman would do. Let me give chance to other fruitful women. Maybe since I cannot give him a child, let me just go. Let him try with another woman. Please, don't stop me. And please, when I'm gone, do not allow my husband to do what he doesn't want to do. I beg. I'll take my leave.
Why do I deserve this? Why? Why do I deserve this? Why was I born at all if I will not be able to do what men does? I'm blessed with wealth, riches, and a good woman. Yet I'm not a man. What kind of life is this?
The road is so lonely. Everybody has returned home from their farms. What is still keeping Maduka? What is keeping Maduka in his farm? Ha! Can you hear me?
My life is not my own. Maybe in my next life, I will come as a man and not a shell of a man.
Hey, come! Hey! 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 Hey!
Let me kill myself! Let me kill myself!
Listen to me, Maduka. You cannot die not under my watch. Come on. Come on.
What kind of disgrace is this? Look at the way everybody is enjoying. Only me, I'm not enjoying. What kind of embarrassment is this?
Weber!
Hey. Greetings, beautiful Olama. Greetings to you too, Adanaya. Ada. Olama. I must say that your husband will be so lucky to have you as a wife. Olama, do you admire me? Adanaya, you're very beautiful and eloquent. Look at you. Adanaya, I thank the gods that I am married. If not, I would be so jealous if I stood near you in a race for a suitor. Anyways, I need to rush to the farm now.
To the farm?
Yes, to the farm.
You know nobody goes to the farm at this hour. The road to the farm is already very lonely. Moreover, you could be attacked by wild animals.
But Adanaya, I don't have anything at home to prepare food for my husband. No.
What do you need? You can take as much plantain as you want.
Really?
Yes, Olama.
Ada, are you sure about this? Because I don't...
Yes, I am very sure, Olama. It's better than risking your life to the farm at this time.
Right. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. You're as kind as a mother, Ada. Thank you so much.
Maduka. So this would have been it for you.
Obiora, it is what it is still. If I'm not able to do it today, I'm going to do it some other time. I'll kill myself. I want to be out of this world.
So what can I do to salvage this? What can I do to help you be alive?
Obiora, there's only one thing that you can help me with. There's only one thing. As if you really want me to leave.
What is it?
Live with my wife.
What did you just say?
Yes. Help me get my wife pregnant. Give us offsprings. As if you want me to leave. Please.
So what about your wife? Do you think she can take this?
Don't worry. Once you agree to it, I know exactly what I will do. Okay?
If this is the only way for you to be alive, then I will do it.
Are you going to do it?
Yes.
then we have to go somewhere. You and I have to go somewhere and have an oath. In the oath, both of us will agree that nobody in this community will hear about it. Not even your wife. And the person that will go out there and say it, the person is going to die.
Meaning you do not trust me.
My brother, Obiora. It's not that I don't trust you. It's our woman nature. I don't trust.
Okay, I'll do it. No problem. I'll do it. Before then, I would want us to go into the community and look for any living thing. Be it goat, fowl, grass cutter, or whatever. Kill it here. We need to split the blood here because this is the exact place you attempted suicide. We need to drop blood here before the spirit of death.
Okay.
More start searching for you.
Okay.
We need to be fast about that. We need to do that now.
Yes, she claims she's not a priestess. What do you look for up in the sky, Nne?
Destiny is about to change. Things are falling apart. That which is written is about to be rewritten. That which man have no control over is now in their hands.
Is that not a good thing? For once, let the gods and goddesses allow man take charge of their own destiny.
Can a tree climb itself? Can a fertile ground till itself? Can a man live without direction? A man's direction is his destiny.
Well, I do not believe in destiny.
I tried changing yours, but I can see you have met with yours.
What do you mean, Nne?
Where are the rest of the plantain?
I shared some with Olamma, the Obiora's wife. She's such a likable person.
I see.
I wonder what she meant by me meeting my own destiny. I hope it's not that stupid boy called Obinna who claims to love me. He had better not be.
Is this the place we are going to seal our oath?
Yes. This is the place. Yes.
Maduka, why don't we try another goddess? You know Osimiri, water goddess. They say that her gift is never timeless. That before you know it now, your baby might not last. Let's look for a goddess that will give you a child that will last long.
This is what I don't like about you. This is what I don't like about you. We are not here to take from her. We are only here for her to witness our oath. Among all the goddesses I know, she's the only one I can trust. She's the only one that takes covenant seriously. Yes. Please, are you in or not? If you are not in, let me just go and die in peace. I don't want to stress you.
No problem. I'm in with all my heart. I'm in.
You are in?
Yes.
You are in?
Yes,
I'm coming. Is it painful?
What type of question is that?
Wait, I beg you. Are you ready?
Yes.
With this blood, I give Obiora permission to lay with my wife, that I may be able to witness and father the children from him. Gods of marriage, please do not hold Obiora accountable for this. Gods of the stream, gods of this stream, bear with us as we lock this promise of this brotherhood till death do us part.
Otu ọbụna osidi ike akwụnụ nwanne m ime ala obi m afụrụ m gị n'anya o nwere ife ga-ekewa anyị mụ na gị.
He's so small and cute. Really? Come, Maka. Hey, Mba, Obin Biko, can you looking? No, now. You want to leave this house again without eating your morning food? Obi me mezinia no delon manu. Emezinia.
I'll be back shortly.
Just
stay, I'll be back.
Okukuyozo, you will be back shortly. Obin, this is what you always say for the past few days now. You will be back shortly. You'll be back shortly. Obin, my cycle has come and gone. And my ties have not had you in them. One would think I'm the new Adobe.
Olamma, why? Why would you talk about her like that? No, why would you talk about her in such manner? What is that? Achọkwamia. Don't do that again. Maka gịnịzi? Wait, is that why you refuse to visit her?
Visit her? Obim, anybody that is looking for food will always go to where food is being sold. Yes. I have not carried my own child, and you expect me to go and visit a barren woman. I can't do that. You want me to go and visit somebody that is barren?
No, Alama, say you are bigger than this. You see this character, you see this attitude, you see this your behavior now. You are bigger. You are way bigger than it. And I had the one.
What be my doubts? Somehow I believe that I will be worse than that if this bad character of yours does not discontinue.
Behave yourself, oh. Behave yourself.
He's coming.
He's coming. Behave yourself.
I thought you both said I should live your lives. I see you are here to find me.
Soludo, please, forgive us. We are sorry on how we treated you. It wasn't good at all.
Soludo.
Please.
Soludo. Diwe. Don't worry. We are sorry. Forgive us. Let your anger not go too far. Good way.
Ọmachara agadi nwanyị bọọ ya asọ. Ọgụbe ya. Ọ ga-anachite. Yọgbuo onwe ya n'ahịa ya. What do you want me to do for you?
So.
Ezumezu. Ekukumeku. Onye isi ojide ike alacha ụdara ọ zọtara n'ụkwụ, onye ga-enye ya ọzọ? Gwanụ m eziokwu, eziokwu ka m chọrọ ịnụ. Eziokwu ka m chọrọ ịnụ. The house of a fugitive is full of pains because he always brings trouble home. A bird that flies from the ground and lands on an ant hill is still on the ground. Oh, young one. Gwa m eziokwu. Adobe!
Yes, your wife, the wise one.
You must close your eyes when having intercourse with your husband. Eziokwu, ọ na-asị na arụmasị nụnụ. Your husband has a spiritual wife that binds his children underworld. And he can only become a father if only she's been deceived in believing that he's only playing with himself and not laying with a woman. And remember, you will shut your eyes while having intercourse with your husband. Otherwise, you will remain childless till the end of your life.
I'll do it. I'll do it, wise one.
Did you hear him? He said you will close your eyes. Don't open it. And because we should tie it with this. She tie her eyes with this.
You will blindfold your eye with this.
Thank you, wise one.
Let me see him off. Let me see him off.
I'll leave it.
I beg to take my leave.
How can you repay?
The gods have a better reward.
Let me see him. Remember,
Thank you.
remember, tie your eyes. Don't let the spiritual wife.
Obi, you went all out for me.
I love you.
I love you too.
I hope you are going to do it.
I'll do it for you. Thank you.
I did not only do it for you. I did it for me too. No, okay.
Thank you.
Everything will be
fine. I want to understand. Were you about to screw us up right now?
Screw you up. How?
I am asking you, were you about to screw everything up? You finished saying what I asked you to say. And you started using some tricks. You were playing some tricks. What was that?
Obiora, I did exactly as you instructed. I did not play any tricks on you.
Who are you telling that? After saying everything I asked you to say, you started acting like somebody that is connected to the source.
Yes, I am.
You are?
Yes, I am connected to the source.
You are how? How are you connected to the source? Okay, you think I don't know you? You think I did not know you, Soludo? Okay, let me tell you who you are. The other day I was praising you that your father gave you the offer and you were feeling pompous. Let me tell you, Ishigana Aza, your head was swelling. That day, I was just teasing you. You are a nobody. Nobody gave you any offer. I was just teasing you. Let me tell you who you truly are. Soludo, you are among the 7 Haju Umuaka that your community wants to use and bury your Igwe. Yes. You think I don't know? Think I don't know you? You are among the 7 Ajo Mwaka that your community selected to behead. They wanted to behead you and use you to do some sacrifices to bury your king. They took all of you. After making some sacrifices on you, they took you to Ajofia to behead you. Immediately you stepped into the Ajofia, you are the last person amongst the 7 boys. You took off. They've been searching for you since then. You think I don't know you? They have been searching for you since then till now. Is it and you change your name to Chukuma Soludo?
Obiora, so you have been keeping your eyes on me all this while? Eh?
No, you thought I would just go and get you, an unknown person, and start using you without doing my background checkup. Eh? You think that is how I would do it? I will just go and pick you from nowhere. Let me still remind you. Let me tell you what is going on in your community now. Your people are still searching for you. Your king has not been buried. They said they must find you because all sacrifices has been made on you. The gods rejected every other person that was brought to replace you. So they said you must be found before your king can be buried. Just do film so I will go and report you to your people that you are hiding in our community.
I see you will not pay me for my service.
Why should I pay you? No, why should I waste my livestock on you? Giving you my livestock is like walking toe to toe with the gods. Because in the eyes of the gods and Adani, you are dead already. You are just like a dead man. So giving my livestock to you is just like wasting my livestock on a dead man.
Obiora. Obiora. Obiora, you called and I answered. Here I am. You bite me without pity. Obiora, go. I don't need anything from you.
Get out. You go. I will not need anything from you ever again. I will never need anything from you. Nkita misruzo. Tabukwe geba. May lost dog bite you there and kill you. Tabu ga tabu anu ohia. Can you imagine? Kita tabu mo nyala. Think I will come and carry my livestock and give you. What did you do? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Nya na acho acho.
My husband. I'm sorry, did I startle you? I've been inside all by myself. I only came out to check on you.
I want to go to my friend's place. I want to quickly go to Maduka's place. I'll be back soon.
Obim, at this time of the night, can't you see that it is already late? The sun is down and the moon is almost out. Mbano.
I'll be back soon.
Obiora Mbano. Obiora. Am I losing my husband? Right under my nose, I'm losing my own husband.
Obiora, are you ready? Maduka, my brother. We are in this together. She loves to hold my dress. And be careful. Be careful with your beads. Okay. she might destroy it.
Okay.
Oh my love, if I am. If I am.
Who is that?
It's me, Olama. Will you come to bed now?
Okay, let me rest a little outside. Let me rest a little.
Ezigbodim. Ilaukofuma.
Yes, how are you?
I'm very well, my husband. And you?
I'm okay. Why are you so happy?
Tell me, any woman that sleeps beside her husband and wakes up beside him, is she not supposed to be excited?
You woke up so early and you're already done with the house chores.
My husband, you must have slept so well. I have gone to the stream. I have fetched water. I have washed our clothes. I have even made your morning food.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry. Just come and sit down. Let me serve your food. Oh? No, just sit down. Oh? Just sit. You see this meal? You will like it. Makana kwachalomaka mbisi otoka. Eh? Ha! Omalicha nwoke. Odogudim. I'm coming. Let me get your food. Oh, Anamabia. I'm coming.
Afọrọ m gị n'anya maka na ị bụ ezigbo nwanne m. Ihe niile na-eme bụkwanụ ka ọ dịrị gị mma, maka na ezi ohi ga-ana mana nwanna manna. Anyị enweghị nkewa, anyị enweghị nkewa. Otu ọbụla o si dị, ike agwụrụ nwanne m. Ime ala obi m, afọrọ m gị n'anya. O nwere ife ga-ekewa anyị, mụ na gị ga-ebi nwanne m. Whatever it will take, I will do it for you. ezigbo nwanne m. Nothing can come between us. No matter the weather, I'll be there for you. In everything you do, I will always be available. Obulugodo n'ọnwụ, aka m ahụlụ nwanne m. Ebe ọ bụ na ga-ejenu, aka m ejelu nwanne m. In good and in bad, I'll be there with you. Etu ọ bụ na o si dị, ị ka bụ ezigbo nwanne m. Lelu nwanne m, lelu nwanne m, afụrụ m gị n'anya maka na ị bụ ezigbo nwanne m. Ihe niile na-eme bụkwanụ ka ọ dịrị gị mma, maka na ezi ohi ga-ana, mana nwanna manna. Anyị enweghị nkewa, anyị enweghị nkewa. Otu ọbụla o si dị, ike agwụrụ nwanne m. Ime ala ala obi m, afụrụ m gị n'anya. O nwere ife ga-ekewa anyị, mụ na gị ga-ebi nwanne m. Whatever it will take, I will do it for you. Ezigbo nwanne m, nothing can come between us. No matter the weather, I'll be there for you. In everything you do, I will always be available. Obulugodo n'ọnwụ, aka m ahụlụ nwanne m. Ebe ọ bụ na ga-ejenu, aka m ejelu nwanne m. In good and in bad, I'll be there with you. Etu ọ bụ na o si dị, ị ka bụ ezigbo nwanne m.
What's the matter? Are you okay?
I'm fine. I've just been feeling like this for the past few days.
Don't be. And you never mentioned it to me that you are sick.
I'm not sick, my love. Maybe it's what I ate. I'll be fine.
It's okay. I want you to go and rest. You will not follow me to the farm.
No, I'll be bored at home. I want to
Adobe,
follow you, please.
Adobe, you are not okay. Look at the way you are
I'm
from it.
strong. Don't worry. I'll just sit while you're walking.
Adobe.
Robin.
It's okay. You get some
Let me just go and get my wrapper in case I'm cold.
You get it. But you are sick. Let me just go. Are you okay? Adobe? Hello? Hey! Help! Help! Anybody there? Come here. Adobe.
Yeah, Maduka, what did you say happened to her?
Yeah. I was getting ready to the farm. See, I was sitting right here. She just came out, started vomiting. After she just fainted. She fainted.
You just fainted?
Yes.
Agree.
She's fine.
She's fine. Oh, thank the gods. Thank the gods. So, please, what is wrong with her? She has never collapsed before. Yeah, I got really scared.
You're too soft in heart. How do you take care of them when they arrive?
Akwibe, what are you saying?
You are going to be a father to twins, Maduka.
Thank the God. Obiora! 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 I'll be your father! I'll be your father! Thank you. Ah. And why are you looking at me like that, Akwibe?
It's easy to remove a thorn from someone else's skin.
What is that supposed to mean?
Time will reveal everything. Say me well to your wife, Olamma.
You're staring at me again. But I'm sorry. Forgive my manners. No, pardon me, Olama. Greetings. Your greetings are well received. Why do I sense a taste of rustiness in your tone? Truth be told, Ada, I am troubled. What's the problem? Ada, please. Please, I want you to deliver water to my hut every evening. I don't mind whatever the cost is. Are you sick? Do you need to see a native doctor? Yes. Yes, Ada, I am sick. And the herbal person I met with told me what the cause of my illness is. Ada, please, I beg you, just deliver water to my hut. I will pay whatever the cost is. My husband is rich. Please. Oh, Biko. When do I start? I was not expecting to see you.
This is my house. Is there a reason I shouldn't be here?
Yes. It is very obvious that you have found peace in the sight of Maduka than me.
Come here. Olamma, there is no peace better than the one I found in you.
There is no problem. I understand you even more than you think. But I know that very soon, everything will be okay. Oh? Okay. Ezimodin. Okonwa. I love you.
I don't know.
Greetings, dear Obiora.
What are you doing there? Where is my wife? Hola! Hola, ma!
Dear Obiora, don't fright. Your wife has paid that I deliver water to your hut every evening. I was about leaving and noticed that the fire was going off and decided to put it on.
Did your mother not tell you that you don't walk into a woman's kitchen in her absence? She doesn't teach you about our tradition.
Apologies, dear Obiora. I do not mean to offend you. I'll take my leave.
Hola, ma!
I am sorry. For all the times I have brought clean water pots to your hut every evening. Your husband speaks to me as though I am an enemy. I would never come to your hut anymore.
No, Adanaya, please don't say that. If you will not bring water to my hut anymore, how then do I say what I came for? Please, I beg you. It will never happen again.
What do you want from me?
Marry my husband, Obiora. Adanaya, please marry him. This is his favorite color. I want you to wear it and come to my hut tonight. Adanaya, you would take my place. I want you to seduce my husband and live with him.
Why do you speak such sad words? What's the problem?
Adanaya, I want a co-wife. I am sure my husband wants the same for himself, but he doesn't know how to tell me. Please, Amy. You are the most beautiful medium in this community right now. Every man's desire. It will give me so much joy to know that my husband went for the best rather than going after other women. Please, will you accept my offer?
Why would I accept your offer? You are Dale Obiera's wife. What makes you think I would not want a fresh man like him as a husband for myself, rather than being a second wife?
I went to the mirrors, Adanaya.
You went to see the chief priest?
Yes. And I was told that you are in love with my husband. So stop the pretense. Look, Ada, I am giving you the opportunity to do that which you have desired so much in your heart. Take it or leave it. I am waiting for you at my hut tonight. And if I do not see you, I pray that our path never crosses again. I have to leave you.
What are you doing here?
Stop yelling. Your wife is
in support of you taking a second wife. And who else is better to fill in the gap than me, Adannaya, the most eligible maiden in this village. And I have never been touched by any man.
Leave.
Dear Obiora, can't you see the fire in my eyes?
Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
Dear Obiora, don't do this to me.
Let that fire burn you. Stop from me. Get out. Stop that nonsense. Get out from there. Get out. What is happening there? Olamma, I am asking you.
Giving you what you want, Obiora.
Giving me what I want. I am telling you that I saw a naked woman inside that hut. And you want me to believe that you are the one that kept her there? Eh? What is wrong with you?
Love. Love is wrong with me, Obiora. I have had it up to here. It is choking me and it is overflowing. I brought Adannaya so I can give you what you want. I cannot watch my husband lose himself into something else.
I don't understand you. Between us, who is losing herself? Who is losing? Who? I want to know. You that have been acting strange for a very long time now. Who is losing his or herself? Huh?
Fine. Tell me, when was the last time we slept together as husband and wife? When? Exactly. Is that not enough reason to make a woman turn into something that she is not? My husband, Adannaya, is every man's desire in this village. Right now. That is why I have brought her to you. She should be the one you are going after, not any other woman.
The truth is that I have never cheated on you from the day I met you. I swear by my honor.
You lie, Obiora. Obiora, my chicken on getting at us. You lie and it is making me run mad. Do you think I don't know that you're going out with another woman? I know it and I cannot stand it. That is why I brought her. At least let me know that I now have a co-wife. Watching you be with another woman is driving me mad. Obiora, tradition does not forbid you to have another wife. So why hide it? Why do you hide?
What is going on here? What is this? Eh? Hey.
Obiora, leave me.
Is it that you don't have anywhere to go to this morning before eating morning food?
Why are you picking up a fight? What have I done to you? Eh? Why are you pulling some funny tricks on me? What is it? What is going on? What is happening to us? Eh, Olamma?
I will not let the world see that the king's favorite is becoming a laughing stock. I will protect you with everything that I have.
Protect me from what is
From self! From that thing that you call self! From yourself, Obiora. That is what I'm protecting you from.
You not call me by my name? You not call me by my name, eh, Olamma?
Obiora, like I said before, I am going to protect you with everything that I have. Because I know that you would do same for me. If you're ready to confess, I'll be here to listen.
Was it hard, my husband?
Oh God, let me tell you now. In fact, I like the way you cook your meat. I'm telling you, the way you can fry antelope. I'm telling you, you are a very intelligent cook. In this community, I don't think that nobody can fry the way you do your meat.
I know how my husband likes it. Oh, babe.
Obiora, my brother, my friend. How are you?
You came very well. So my wife has prepared one nice bush meat. Take one, take one.
This must be antelope.
Yeah. You take one, you divide and keep the rest.
It's very dry.
That's my wife that did it, so the whole community. I'm telling you.
Adobe, how are you? Hope there's no problem.
Obiora is.
My husband. I'll be inside.
I know, but Obiora is greeting you. Adobe.
Maduka, leave her. You know she's pregnant. You know, pregnant women with their mood swing.
Well, if you are saying it's mood swing, I will let that slide because I can't take it. Anyway, so why are you here?
See, there's something I want us to discuss. I'm having a problem. Let's just talk about it. Come, let's see.
Alama, what do you want in this side of the world today?
Greetings to you, Akwibe.
Greetings to you, Alama. What can I do for you?
I'm here to see your daughter, Adanaya. Is she in on the prayer?
What do you want from her? And what is this you're carrying?
I borrowed some plantain from Adanaya several market days ago. So I just thought I should return it.
Alama, this event took place several markets ago. Adanaya just did you a favor. She never asked you to pay back. And you are just realizing that you will have to return it.
Akwibe, I forgot. I didn't remember, but is she in?
Adanaya is sleeping inside. She has been sad for some days now. You can keep it by the side. If she wakes up, I will tell her you came.
Okay.
Olama. Olama, what is it you want me to do for you?
Whatever it will take, I will do it for you. Ezigbo nwanne, nothing can come between us. No matter the
Obiora,
weather, I'll be there.
she's convinced you are sleeping with someone else.
Yes. She even went ahead to get Akwibe's daughter, Adanaya, to seduce me into sleeping with her in my heart. She said it's better I bring Adanna into my heart as my second wife instead of going about sleeping with other women.
And which other women is she talking about? Or hope she's not thinking of her Adobe.
I do not know. She's certainly convinced that I am sleeping with another woman.
But Obiora, I've also not told the Sue about the oath we both had. Are you sure you were not the one that mistakenly told her about it,
I want to tell you this truth, Maduka. From the day I started sleeping with your wife, my manhood has refused to rise whenever I get close to my wife's thighs.
Hmm?
Yes.
Why, don't you love Olama again?
You and I know that I love my wife from here to the end of the world. But I get confused because whenever I go close to her, my manhood goes down. I'm confused because whenever I go close to my wife's thighs, my manhood goes down because of the guilt.
This is a fallen mountain. Please, I'm so sorry. I know I've caused you were to rescue my home, and now I've caused your home rather. I'm so sorry, okay?
It is not your fault, my brother. It is not your fault. I will certainly do something about it. Mhm. Is she in labor?
And you think binding yourself with your husband is exactly what you need?
Akwibe, you helped my mother when my father almost ran off with another woman from another community. She told me of it, and she said that if I ever needed help, that I should find you. Please help me. I am losing my husband, my marriage. Akwibe, I love my husband so much, and I know that he loves me too. Maybe the other woman is using a charm hold on my husband. I do not know, but I just want to act fast before things get worse.
I will help you.
Thank you. Thank you, Akwibe.
But I don't think that is what you really need. You said your husband loves you. Then you don't need a charm to hold him. Just talk to him.
Give it to me, Akwibe. That is what I came for, not your advice.
I will grant your heart desire since that is what you want, Olama.
Maduka, take it easy. Take it easy.
My wife is shouting.
Take it easy. She's just in labor. She'll be fine. She'll be fine.
My baby is here. My baby is here.
Yes.
My baby is here. How?
Yes.
How? God of Allah, thank you. Hey, hey. Oh, I'm a man now.
Thank you, God. You are now a father and a set of twins.
Twins!
Yes.
Twins, Obiora! Twins!
Thank you, God. The midwife is taking care of them.
Oh. Is it twins?
Twins.
Obiora, I'm a father now. I'm a man now. Twins, Obiora, twins. Can I sit down?
Yeah, you can go. Thank the God.
They are
Yes, they are twins. Thank the gods.
Afọrọ m gị n'anya maka na ịbụ ezigbo nwanne m. Ihe niile na-eme bụkwanụ ka ọ dịrị gị mma, maka na ezi ohi ga-ana, mana nwanna manna anyị enweghị nkewa.
Olamma, prepare the meal inside it for your husband. And he will love you so much because that is what your heart desire.
Thank you so much, Akwibe. Thank you. I'll have to be on my way now.
Olamma, in preparing this, you have to use your left.
My left hand?
Yes. You are invoking the spirit of love to help your husband love you. The spirit only recognizes the left because that is where the heart resides. And in doing this, you are doing it anti-clockwise because the ways of the gods are not our ways.
There is no problem, Akwibe. I'll do as you have instructed.
Olamma, do not make a mistake in preparing this because the consequence is deadly.
Akwibe, you said my left hand. Anti-clockwise.
Yes.
There is no problem. I will follow your instructions. I will not make any mistake.
Olamma, do not throw away your water because you feel it's going to rain.
Akwibe, if the rain is sure to fall, it will fill my pots. And then I will have the old stored water thrown away and fill it with the new ones. This will work. I know exactly what I'm doing. I'll have to be on my way now. It has been 4 years since I got this from Akwibe. With hopes that I never get to use it. But things are getting worse. Obiora now spends more time in Maduka's house playing with Maduka's children simply because I do not have mine. Whenever he climbs me, his manhood goes back inside. No, this can't be ordinary. What do I do? Do I use this now or wait until things get even worse? Olamma, what do I do? The foundation of my house is shaken. Only a wise woman stands brave to rebuild it. Yes, now is the time.
Olamma.
Obiora, you start with me.
Are you okay? Are you fine? Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine.
Olamma, what is it?
Nothing. I'm fine.
What do you mean nothing? Talk to me. What is
Obiora,
going
I
on?
just said I am fine. Nothing is wrong with me.
Ola, what is going on? Why the sudden change? This is not you. This is not the woman I married. Olamma, what have come over you? All of a sudden, you became so aggressive. What is going on? Now you refuse to go and meet my friend's wife Adobe since she gave birth. I have tried in several ways to convince them that you will come, that you are busy. This is not right. What is it? What is going on? Just tell me what is happening.
What is happening? Obiora,
This is the same question I've been asking myself, and I'm asking you, what is going on? What is happening to us?
Is it about my manhood? Hmm? Don't worry. It will rise someday. I believe it will rise someday. Maybe it's because of the stress I'm going through from going to the farm, to the palace, the meetings I've been attending up and down. Maybe from the stress of a man's daily activities.
Stress. Obiora. Stress from the farm. Stress from the palace. Obiora, for 4 good years, your manhood have been going through stress. My own manhood for 4 years. Obiora, this is the lie that you have been feeding me with. Do you think I'm that dumb? Is that how dumb your wife is?
My love,
You what? You what, Obiora? You will speak the truth? Speak. You know what? Obiora, I know that you will never speak the truth. So I have decided to help you speak the truth.
what truth?
I know everything. Every single thing I know about it. But if you will open up and speak the truth, just maybe I would not keep pushing on. Obiora, leave me alone.
Ola, please. Please. Eh? The truth is that
The truth is what? Go ahead. Go ahead, Obiora. Speak the truth. I'm listening.
we
Have the cat suddenly cut off your tongue? Obiora, you cannot speak anymore. Obiora, you claim to love me. You claim to cherish and adore me, yet you look me in the eyes and you lie to me.
my wife, Please, I can explain.
You can explain what? What can you explain? That you're going after your own best friend's wife. What? I saw you that very day, Obiora. My husband. I'm sorry, did I startle you? I've been inside all by myself. I only came out to check on you.
I want to go to my friend's place. I want to quickly go to Maduka's place. I'll be back soon.
Obim, at this time of the night, can't you see that it is already late? The sun is down and the moon is almost out. Mbano.
I'll be back soon.
Obiora Mbano. Obiora. Cheji kwa nunu woka. Ukini kanji siwe kotabikunu. Am I losing my husband? Right under my nose, I'm losing my own husband.
If love, if I am, if I am,
Who is that?
It's me, Olama. Will you come to bed now?
Okay, let me rest a little outside. Let me rest a little.
Obiora, I followed you that very day. I saw you. You trust so hard. Like your life depends on it. Obiora, you enjoyed it.
I did not enjoy anything.
You lie, Obiora! Obiora, you mourned. You were mourning. You mourned and mourned and mourned. Obiora, you enjoyed every single bit of it.
Please.
I kept following you to that place, but I had to stop because I don't know the reason you were doing this. My question is why?
I want to explain, please.
You want to explain?
Yes,
Obiora, what do you have to explain? Tell me, what do you have to explain?
give me a chance to explain, please.
Fine. Go ahead. Explain, I'm listening.
Okay. The truth is that both of us,
Just look at yourself. You can't even bring yourself to say anything to me. You can't explain anything to me because you know how hurtful it is. Look at how you build a simple life. Because of the lust you have over your friend's wife. Ha! Hello, Obiora.
Obiora! I am sorry. I am sorry.
There is no problem. It is fine. I will not tell Maduka your friend. Because I know that if I tell Maduka, Maduka will come looking for you with all the knives and cutlasses he has in his house, thinking that you are the father of his twins. No, I will not say anything to him. But as for Adobe, I will make sure that Adobe plays with everything. I promise you that.
Please. Please. You can hurt me. You can do anything to me. Make me pay. But please, take Adobe out of this. Please. Please. Take her out of this.
You should be ashamed of yourself, Obiora. To feel Akwagi? Abomination! You should be ashamed of yourself!
Afọrọ m gị n'anya maka na ị bụ ezigbo nwanne m. Ihe niile na-eme bụkwanụ ka ọ dịrị gị mma maka na ezi ohi ga-ana mana nwanne
No fighting. Oh, sharp. Obiora.
Ikenna and Okunta. Ikenna. Our children, how are you? How are you both? Kekunume. How are you? Ikenna, how are you?
Fine, baby.
Mama.
Adobe. Why are you taking them? Adobe! Adobe!
It seems she doesn't like me.
Don't be bothered, okay? You know, she's a woman. You know, sometimes all these women, it's mood swing. Before you know, it's not even you that he's angry with. It's herself, okay? Don't be worried. Do you know that for some reason, even your wife, for some reason, she doesn't really like me. But it's all right. I guess that's the price we pay for putting this curse upon ourselves. So please don't be bothered, okay, my brother? But is everything all right? You seem very tense. You seem confused. Is everything all right?
Maduka, my brother.
Mm-hmm.
My home is gone. My home is broken.
What is happening again? What has Olama done again?
It is not about Olama. It's about me.
You?
Yes.
What is wrong? What has happened?
Ever since I started sleeping with your wife, my manhood has gone completely. It doesn't function anymore.
Obiora, since then, but why haven't you told me about it?
I see you are enjoying your family already. You are enjoying your children and everything. So I decided not to disturb you with trivialities.
Obiora, what are you talking about? Triviality? We are talking about manhood here. You are talking about trivial. Come on, don't talk like that. I'm your brother. Anything that is wrong, you talk to me. We solve it together. Okay, you always have my back, so I always have to have your back too. So what are you doing? What have you done about it?
I've gone to several DBS, different medicine men. And they kept saying the same thing.
What are they saying?
That until we confess, my manhood will not be restored.
We should confess? We have to confess? Obiora.
A little bit of water. A little bit of water. You think after humiliating me, you will enjoy your marriage? Not on my watch.
Adanaya, what have you done? Interferer of fate and destiny. What have you done?
I've not done anything out of the ordinary, Nne. What are you talking about?
You finally choose the path I was trying to save you from.
Nebiko, you are scaring me. Ogini, what is it?
Adanaya, every man is born with two destiny. If you're wise, you will choose the right one. If not, you will live the life of an ordinary man. Why have you chosen to live the life of an ordinary man, Adanaya?
Nne, I don't know what you are talking about. I've been good to you and everyone that I meet. So, I don't know what you are talking about, Nne.
Until today, after meeting with your doomed destiny, with Olama 4 years ago.
Hey. Nebiko.
You have finally choose the path you want. I hope you live happily with it.
Nebiko, how do I go back and change the situation? Nebiko, help me.
Even the gods will not be able to change this situation now.
Hey,
what is done is done.
Hey! I was only trying to get revenge on what she did to me.
Hey, go to our lives. Hey. So, Obiora, so what do you suggest now? What do you suggest? Because you know very well that these villagers get to know the secret between you and I. They are going to stone us to death. So what do you suggest? I'm confused right now. Eh?
Maduka, my brother, I have everything planned out. I've got a perfect plan for everything.
Eh? Well, in that case, it's okay if you have a plan because all this while you've been supporting me when I needed you. So I'm also ready to support you. So whatever you have and you are planning to do, I'm with you. Yes, I'm all in with you.
The truth is that I can no longer father a child. My manhood is no longer working. It's completely dead. Maybe the gods gave us twins because of a situation like this. Yes, I will suggest you give me Ikenna, one of our sons, and take Ikenga. Ikenna, the one that looks exactly like me. Give me Ikenna and take Ikenga, please.
So, so what do I tell my wife?
Take both of them to the farm. There I will take Ikenna. Take his clothes, tear it into shreds, kill a goat, a cock, or whatever. Spray its blood on his clothes. Tell her that he's been eaten by a wild animal.
May God forbid. Not my child! Not my child.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Eh? Who has sent you here? Who told you to interact with the conversation of men? Huh? What's wrong with you?
This evil man here. You're plotting evil against my child.
Obiora is not an evil person.
He's plotting evil against my child. He's not an evil person. Obiora, you are evil.
You need to be very careful. You need to be very, very careful. Respect my brother. I'm sick and tired of all this your irritating attitude. What is your problem? Respect my brother.
When were you planning to tell me? You think I didn't know? You allowed your best friend to lay with me every night. When I blindfold my eyes with the black clothes you gave me from the dibia. Your fake dibia you brought to my house. You think I didn't know? You think I didn't know? Maduka.
Adobe, the truth is that it is not what you think.
You do not have any business in my house. Leave my house this minute! Do not tell me to keep quiet! Do not! Tell him to leave my house, else I'll scream. The whole village should come out and hear that he's been raping me all night. Till he made me get pregnant. Leave my house!
Do not worry. Do not worry. Like I told you, I will leave this community and I will go very far away from here. I will leave never to come back. Please. Please. Take care of our children. Take good care of our sons.
My child is not your son. My child is not yours,
Our
Obiora.
children.
Lenu nwanne mo, lenu nwanne mo, afụrụ m gị n'anya maka na ị bụ ezigbo nwanne mo.
What you've caused? You've seen what you've caused? You see what you've caused?
I thought you loved me. Why did you do this to me? Why would you allow your best friend to see my nakedness? Why? Why would you allow him to sleep with me? Why? Why? Why did you do this to me? Why?
My husband, you're welcome. Please come and join me in eating this food.
Do you still want me to eat from your pot after finding out what I have done?
Obiora, you're still my husband after all. I can't throw you away. Oh no, you could be at all. Come. Come and sit.
Olamma, if I've ever doubted my love for you, please, I am sorry. I miss you so much.
I miss you too, Obin. Please wash your hands so you can eat your food.
Where are you off to?
My husband, there's somewhere I need to be as quick as possible. Just eat your food. I'll be right back. Oh, Pico. Today we end it all. I will confront that adulterous Adobe. And I will let her know that I am aware that my husband is her boyfriend. And if she does not stay away from my husband, I will report her to the Igwe. But first, I will tell her husband, the kind Maduka. Yes, that is what I must do. That is the right thing to do.
Why?
Adobe, I'm sorry. I just couldn't bring myself to confess the pain of putting you through all these years.
I hate you. I hate you. Maduka, I hate you so much. I thought you loved me. Why did you do this to me? Why?
Wife, I'm so sorry. I couldn't bring myself to confess to this after putting you through pain all these years. I'm sorry.
You should have told me. You should have told me you were impotent. I will still be with you regardless. Why? You watched another man climb your woman. Why would you do this to me?
Adobe, I was wrong, okay? I was wrong. I'm sorry. You have been with me all these years knowing that. So why now? Why now?
You thought I would know? You thought I would know?
How did you get to know that I wasn't the one climbing you? How did you get to know?
Even with the blindfold, I know my husband's smell. I know my husband's manhood. Yours is straight, while Obiora's is curved. And you expect me not to know? Really? Don't touch me. I was expecting him to come back. I knew he would come for his child. Yes, they always come back. I was waiting for him to come and ask for his children. And he just did. See what you've caused? Have you seen how you brought shame upon me? I've been wanting to tell you. But I had your conversation with him one of these days. Then I knew it was both of you that planned it. Why?
Adobe, I'm so sorry. Would you ever forgive me? Please. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Please forgive me.
I'll have to leave with my children.
Ah.
I can't stay here. I have to go for cleansing. Else the curse will be upon my children too. I'll return after 7 AK market days.
Adobe. Adobe. I'm sorry, Adobe. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Aforum ginanya makani bu ezigbo nwanne m ihe niile na-eme bụkwanụ ka ọ dịlị gị mma maka na ezi ohi ga-ana mana nwanna manna anyị enweghị nkewa otu ọbụla o si dị
No. No, Obiora, no. Why didn't you tell me? Why did you not tell me? I had no idea. Oh, he did this to help his impotent friend. Hey, oh, Timoma. My husband still loves me. He still loves me. But why does his manhood not stand for me anymore? Why? Or is it because he feels guilty? He feels guilty of his actions. No, let it not be that my husband took a blood oath to conceal this abomination. No, Obiora,
My love! My love! My love! Obin! 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 Obiora! Obiora! Hey! Obiora! Obiora! Obiora, please open your eyes! Open your eyes! Don't do this to me! Open your eyes! What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Obiora! Hey! Obiora! Obiora! Hey! Hey! I got this poison. I got it so I could poison Adobe. But I had no idea. She was going through a lot herself. I did everything. I did everything Akwibe told me. I swear I did. She said my left hand anti-clockwise. I did it. I don't know what happened. But I can't leave. I can't leave knowing that I killed my husband. I can't. Hope him. Don't worry. I am coming to join you. We will remain husband and wife, even in our next world. Oh.
Olam. Hey! Olam, what did you eat? Olam. What did you eat? Umazwe!
Enu nwanne mo, afọrọ m gị n'anya maka na ị bụ ezigbo nwanne mo. Ihe niile na-eme bụkwanụ ka ọ dịrị gị mma, maka na ezi ohi ga-ana, mana nwanna manna. Anyị enweghị nkewa, otu ọbụla o si dị, ike agwụrụ nwanne m. N'ime ala obi m, afụrụ m gị n'anya, o nwere ife ga-ekewa anyị, mụ na gị ga-ebi nwanne m. Whatever it will take, I will do it for you. Ezigbo nwanne m, nothing can come between us. No matter the weather, I'll be there for you. In everything you do, I will always be available. Obulugodo n'ọnwụ, aka m ahụlụ nwanne m. Ebe ọ bụ na ga-ejenu, aka m ejelu nwanne m. In good and in bad, I'll be there with you. Etu ọ bụ na o si